Hey everyone, this is Eric again. I think you probably remember us starting to try to powder coat this club here. It did powder actually really well. I kind of actually like the color, as crazy as it looks, but we did melt out the core in the oven. So yes, it will powder coat, but it will melt the inside of the club. So maybe not the best decision for your golf clubs, but you see it's got a cool little flake in there, super shiny, looks great. But yeah, it will powder, but it will also melt the inside of the club, as you can see.